Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video, and that's just on period. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this natural beat look. Technically this look gives you're not really wearing no makeup, but eyelashes and eyeshadow is slayed, baby, period. If you guys are interested in accomplishing this look and wondering how I did it, make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and stay tuned, and let's get into this video, period.
I feel your eyes, yeah, I love them, don't be shy.
Well, alright. That we better gotta pick it in the right. Come alive, come on. And then lit. Period. Round of applause. Baby, make that out clap. Tap it to the floor, make that out clap. Round of applause. Baby, make that out clap. Drop it to the floor, make that out clap. Let me see you buzz it. Drop it to the floor with it. Buzz it. At this point, it's kind of giving like, we don't even need no background music. You feel me? Well, let me stop because we're not going to be doing all that. That's a lot. But I think it's about time we celebrate because I finally got me two, not one, but two eyebrow pencils. And that's just on period. And the first shade that I'm going to be using is black. And it is the LA Colors brow pencil. I got both of these eyebrow pencils I got from the dollar store, which was very much convenient because if it wasn't for the dollar store, we would not have one. That's just the way. So what you see me doing is carving out the shape that I like. I use the black for the end of the brow towards the middle and the brown in the front. Now I'm going to be using my natural liquid foundation from Kiss Professionals. I got that one from the beauty supply store in the color Cappuccino. I really like this color and I really like the way the foundation applies. Like, it gives me this vibrance, you feel me, to the skin. Like, it makes you look golden type of, and I really like that about this product. I have been using it for a while. They need to sign me. That's just on period. But I really do like this foundation. I don't use it for foundation like I'm supposed to. I use it for like a base or concealer, but I'm really not a foundation girly, so I think what I'm kind of really looking for if I'm gonna be like wearing foundation and stuff like that, I'm definitely gonna be looking into Fenty's or Tarte's. Like, I know they have this skin tint, I think it's called skin tint, where it's not that much makeup. It's just like foundation, but it's really not. It's like very watery based type of liquid. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm pretty sure when I go to the store I probably might vlog that and, you know, probably explain it better because I'll be in front of it. So what I'm doing now is taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD, which is high definition, and I'm applying that towards the top layer of my brow and towards the end and blending it out with the Cappuccino. I just feel like it's going to highlight my brows to make them look extra crisp and sharp, like they're done and really good. Like, I want my brows to be the pop out. Once I finish blending out that, I'm going to be using my Perfect Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using Raw, Cocoa, and Kaki. And we're definitely not going to be wasting no foundation, so we're going to use the rest that's on the back of our hand and apply it as our base for our eyeshadow. I really love the way my eyebrows are looking right now. They really are, it's given, baby, it's given. Once you finish blending out your base, you want to apply some powder to set the eye. When you set the eye, it prevents creasing. Now we're going to go in with our Raw, and I'm going to be blending that towards the outer and inner corner. I want it to be a transitioning shade. So a transitioning shade is basically a shade that makes it easier for you to blend colors through and what really color you want to pop. I want this color to pop towards the outer corner, to be honest with you. I want it like underneath the brow, but not really underneath the brow. So it's kind of like I'm going towards the crease area in the front, and towards the back area I'm kind of fluffing that away from the crease because I'm trying to make it, you know, just like soft. I want it to look like skin, which is why I'm also really pleased with this color raw, because it kind of gives that skin illusion look. Then I'm going to go in with cocoa, and I'm just going to put that directly in my crease with a mini version of a fluffy brush. Okay, my brushes don't have no names. All right, I don't got no M16, M45, M39. I'm not out here playing the lottery with my shit, you feel me? Now let me stop. I'm playing, girlies, but I'm using a minier version than the bigger version that I used before, if that makes any sense, okay? And then I'm gonna go back in with the raw, and I'm gonna blend out those two shades, you feel me, so it can be smooth. And lastly, I'm going to use black, and I'm going to put black right into the crease of my eye. I honestly wanted my crease to be a little bit bigger, but I put it low, and I actually wanted the colors to pop a little bit more, but again, I'm glad that it didn't pop too much because this is a natural beat look. Once all of that is blended out on both sides, we're about to cut the crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You feel me? I love the way this concealer is. Like, I even use it underneath the eye. Has a lot of great coverage, and that's just on period. I'm always keep using that. I feel like LA Girl Pro Concealer is never gonna go out of stock because, you feel me, it's very convenient. It comes in every single shade. Like, literally, in the shade that I'm using right now, light yellow corrector GC995. But to be very honest with you guys, I think I should invest in, you know, the eye primer that everyone uses to, like, you know, as a base, and what to use for like cutting the crease. I want to know what's really the difference between actually using a concealer that's meant for eyeshadow, because me using this corrector, it works just fine for me. You feel me? But I definitely do want to try that. And with all honesty, I was not really going for this type of cut crease. The way it was starting off was the one I was going for, you feel me? But I'm going to be taking that raw, applying it to the outer corner of my eye, because I want to really erase, you know, kind of diffuse the concealer that's on the outside and how I cut my crease, because you can see right through it. And I'm going to have to add a darker shade to kind of like blend that out, but so far I can work with it, you feel me? Even though the crease didn't come out the way I expected it, it's working. I'm gonna take that black and I'm gonna put it basically on the outer corner of my eye still, but basically on top of the brown a little bit to try to still diffuse the lining. Blending is super important, especially when it comes to having the brushes that are meant for, you know, certain things, because without the brushes it will look a little bit harsh, you feel me? But I'm gonna also take the raw, apply it to the inner corner of my eye as well, because I'm kind of giving like a halo eye effect, but I needed to go a little bit more in depth with that black and make, you know, the crease a little smaller, but it's okay. Once I finish blending that out with a concealer brush, I'm gonna take my blackout eyeliner, which is actually a really good eyeliner. I actually really like this eyeliner. I got it from the beauty supply store. I think it was $2.99. This is really nice. I really love the way this eyeliner is. I truly feel like if you guys are not like good with applying eyeliner to your eyes, this eyeliner or any type of eyeliner with the pointer, it's very easy for you to just apply it that way. And the key to keeping your eyeliner like baddie baby, look straight down, but keep one eye looking in the mirror, or you can just look in the mirror holding one in your face, but keep your eyes at an angle going down, and then connect the dots. If you guys need to see how I did it again, just rewind the video back. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to be applying some eyelash glue to my eyelash line and my eyeliner. Period, Bookie. You see, what works for me may not work for you, but it works for me, Bookie. You want to see how I did the look, so I'm going to show you how I did the look. As that's on my eyelash line and my eyeliner, I'm going to be applying some lengthening mascara that I got from the dollar store. I realized that majority of the mascaras that are in the dollar store are waterproof, and if you never wanted to wear lashes, you can do like a smaller eyeliner and just like, you know, a smaller cut crease, and you know, makes you cutesy cutesy. But I'm going for like a brassy kind of like, you know, eyeshadow, which is like something I always kind of like go for if I was to do like a cut crease. Those would be like the ones that I'm like pretty going for. But these are the lashes that I got on right here, are the mink. These are 25 millimeters. I got these from the beauty supply store. I didn't show you guys the package, but next time I will, so you guys know exactly which ones to get and which ones I got, because on the eye they look completely different. Then I'm going to be using my Tarte foundation. I actually went to Sephora not too long ago, and I actually met, you know, one of their coworkers, and their coworkers is pretty cool, you feel me? And I was just like, yo, thanks for the help, you're really cool. It was so crazy, and it was actually a really fun time. And I was like, we were going through like having a whole conversation like we knew each other from years. It was insane. But when I went in there, definitely got color matched. And it's crazy because when I got color matched, I was wearing makeup, so the worker tested it on my hand, and my hands are darker than my face and my neck, so I felt like that would be perfect. But when I apply, I think it was the lighting in the store that made it look like, yes, this is the color for me. Also, because my face was already beat, it could have looked like, yes, that's what it's supposed to be for me. But in the store, it was just really blending out. I'm just so surprised at how lightning can really make you think like this could be it and it's not this, and that could be it and it's really not. And when you take it home, it's kind of either too light, orangey, darker, or this and that and third. But I'm truly pleased with this color, because on camera it may look very light, but in person it really makes my skin look really nice and smooth. And it's just, I really like this product, and I never use their foundation. I don't wear foundation, so it's kind of like, this is actually really nice and it doesn't feel heavy. So guys, what you see me doing now is contouring my nose. I'm actually using a natural finish liquid concealer brush, you know, their concealer, the foundation to their concealer. I'm using their brush to apply, you know, the contour and the color and the concealer, because I don't have no brushes, so this is what we're going to be working with. But don't even worry about it, because on period I already got 2 eyebrow pencils. I feel like that was enough. I accomplished enough today in this world society. Oh my god, like I feel like instead of me using the eyeshadow for my eyebrows, now I got an eyebrow pencil, you feel me? And I didn't just get one, I got 2 of them. At least I accomplished something today. All right, next step is getting some brushes. I promise I might have them in the next one. You see how I said that? I promise I might have them in the next one. Like you. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe the way I was contouring my nose in this video. I feel like I just found a new way to contour it. I used to go straight down, but now it's like I curve it, and it's just, it gives. I'm actually do a tutorial on that, guys, a deep in-depth tutorial on it, and show you the difference between when you go straight down and when you actually like curve it. I don't feel like anyone has a straight nose. I don't feel like nobody has us just going straight down the nose. Everyone has like an arch in their nose area, which creates the nose area, you feel me? It's just that contour like deepens and really like, you know, makes your nose pop when you know, apply some contour upon it. So guys, I'm going to be using the Milk setting spray. This is actually my first time using it as well, because, you know, I've been using every other one. People were saying that this setting spray is just like Elf's primer, and I don't, it's not. It's definitely different. This Milk setting spray actually, you feel me, it sets the face, and it does. My makeup has not creased, has not cracked since I've been wearing it, since I've been using these products. So it's kind of just like, I really like it, but it does look like I used a lot of product, and I'm gonna actually, I probably did, which is why I look so light and I have to do so much contouring. For me, I feel like it's better to work with a darker foundation rather than a lighter foundation, because you can always fix up and blend and, you know, do what you gotta do. But when it's a lighter foundation, you have to do like more contouring. So I also need to work on not using that much product, but I don't know why it looks like that on here, because it does not look like that in the mirror. It does not look like that in reality. Like I have like a whole bunch of makeup on my face. Like it doesn't look like that, but I don't know why it looks like that here, but I actually really like the way this look actually came out. Now I'm going to be using my Monarch Paradise eyeshadow palette by Absolute New York, and the color Sanctuary is the red, Instant is the orange, and I'm going to be using both of those colors for the blush area. Then I'm going to use the roll-on shimmer. This is my first time actually using this roll-on shimmer by NK Beauty. If I'm gonna be honest, my favorite one is from Wet n Wild, the Liquid Glow, but I don't know the color of that one. But I think I also found another favorite one, period, because I feel like this little like shimmery gold highlighter, it actually highlights, but it doesn't make it look like you're wearing highlighter. Do you guys see how smooth this highlighter looks? Like, it just pulls the look and everything together. I just love the Kissed by the Gods type look, you feel me? Like shining bright like a diamond. I could not find my lip liner, so I'm definitely going to be using the LA Colors lipstick in the shade Show Off and Victory, and together they are like best friends. And that's just on period. Look, it's finito.